Make myself a little bigger so y'all can really see my sexy ass. You can see gold recently hit all-time highs, which kind of makes me not want to trade that motherfucker, bro. I'm gonna be honest. So we hit all-time highs and we just expanded straight through that bitch. Now you can see this 4-hour candle opened up bearish as hell. We got this huge fair value gap right here on the 4-hour as well. And this could be a potential drawing liquidity. If we take this range, my AC about to kick in and y'all gonna hear that shit. Let me see something. Take this range. Let's go to equilibrium. Come out to the 1-hour. So you can see we swept these lows and we rejected, and now we starting to come down some more. So, god damn, need to wash my face. Um, I just ran 10 miles. I just got back to the crib just in time for this shit. All right, this is really where I want to aim for, right here. This 1-hour fair value gap. Boom, we got this low right here. Well, I ain't gonna say this is what I want to aim for. I gotta continue to look, but this looks like a potential drawing liquidity right now. Let's go to the 15-minute. You can see we are pushing down. Came up into this little fair value gap. We starting to sell off some more too. So I think this is a good drawing liquidity. It's also relative equal lows right here. This is a nice a brief accumulation period before we continue to expand, and now we're retracing. I think these lows could definitely be a low of interest, especially since you can see order flow is starting to become bearish. Now these are Asian lows. Alright. So we kind of got to see how we react off of this, but where Asian lows at? Let's go back to the 15-minute, the 1-hour. There's no imbalances in this area, so there's really very little reason for me to think that we're going to sweep this and just push back up higher. But it's possible since we are at all-time highs. Equilibrium of the Asian range high. Of the Asian range, not the Asian range high. I do like these highs, though. I kind of want to see them get swept and maybe fuck around equilibrium and then push down some more. But right now, it just looks like we pushing down, and I ain't gonna lie. I don't really see a reason to trade this shit. It's very little to go off of. We're at all-time highs. There's very little higher time frame narrative. I could see a reason for us to come down here in this area from a couple reasons: equilibrium, 1-hour fair value gap, sell side liquidity. But the 4-hour gap starts right here. I think this is a more likely place along with the 15-minute fair value gap. I ain't gonna say more likely, but it's higher probability just because it's closer to price. If we're gonna push down here, we have to get through this area first. I'm just not seeing. I don't think I'm trading this shit, bro. I really don't. I also haven't traded yet this week, so I didn't trade Monday. I didn't trade Tuesday, which was yesterday. I think I'm gonna give it a break, man. Let the higher time frame build some structure. I don't really want to trade none of this shit. But if we do come down and sweep these lows or something and give some type of market maker buy model back to the upside, maybe I'll take something like that. But since we are on all-time highs anyways, order flow is bullish on the higher time frames. Maybe we'll wait for that. Just tapped into the 4-hour fair value gap. And the 15-minute fair value gap. And swept these lows. Rejected like a motherfucker. Now we starting to push up a little bit. Not with no type of displacement though.
And then off rip, I'm like, nigga, I want to see how this shit's gonna react to this. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like, is this shit? Because like, for me, I've dodged a couple of losses, especially this week, from the shit's closing in the FEG, bro. So I'm like, okay, it's closing in the fair value gap. What's gonna happen? So I'm just sitting here. I'm just waiting. And then even if it closes in the fair value gap, I see that it pushes it pushes out of that box with volume, bro. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna get in for the buy, bro.
Yeah.
And I don't know,
It's
it's all price action, bro.
It's a little harder to risk, but it's more safe. So it doesn't really matter as much. It's all give and take. It's just how you want to trade, basically.
Where my stop loss will be. And if you look at the middle number here, where it says 59, just above my cursor, where it says 59, that is how many ticks risking from.
I think I might take this trade right here.
Where?
On gold. I have to take some profits in here.
Are you already up?
No, I'm not in it yet, but I think I'm going to get in it.
The 5 minute looks amazing, bro. I'm not gonna even hold you. The 5 minute looks good. Actually, yeah, I'll be taking the buy right now. I'm not in the trade though, but it looks good for buys. I'm not gonna even lie to you, bro. On the 1 minute, there's a CVD. No, 5 minute, there's a CVD. There's an absorption CBD on the 5 minute. And it's bouncing off the 200 EMA. Yeah, personally, I'll be taking this one, bro. But you know, everybody's different. Yeah. Ooh, this trade look good, gang. I'm about to show you what I mean. Wow, be careful though, bro. But what the fuck? Smoking crack. I am smoking crack.
I'm gonna sell one right here.
There is no CBD. I'm tripping. I'm bugging out. Oh shit.
Oh, sell limit. I'm tripping.
Huh?
I said I'm tripping. I tried to put a buy limit. I put a sell limit on accident, but we in this bitch now. We good.
It's an amazing buy, bro. The 5 minute is the cleanest part about this trade, bro. It's not even closing in the box, nor is it closing under the 200 EMA.
I gotta put this on my story. Hold up, gang.
Oh wow, this is an amazing trade. I don't know. I should have took this bitch, but it's not my session though, bro.
Yeah, no, you good, bro. Fuck that. You killing the markets anyways. Just take a break, get some reps in. You said it was a good trade already, so you feel me?
Yeah, this is an amazing trade, bro. This is good. Like, from what I'm seeing, this is an amazing trade, bro. Like, it's nice as fuck. This is going up. How much you up now?
$46.
Nice. What you aiming for? 50?
My first TP, I'm risking 50. My first TP, that shit about to get hit, is at a 1 to 1.6. And my second one is at a 1 to 3.4.
So,
So is
but
CVDs like a ICT concept?
nah, I've just combined it with my ICT concept, make it into my own little strategy type shit. I don't like what forced me to really start using this was really gold, but I've been using it on NQ and ES more. But it ain't nothing out of the ordinary. This trade looking good so far.
I
I
ain't gonna
can't really see
lie,
any.
not trading as much, man. Not trading as much, not looking at the market as much, and just taking trades. And I'm like, okay, I definitely like this, bro. It's been so much better. Like I don't even remember the last time I took a real loss. I did take a loss actually. I think it was like a week and a half ago, but it was like a good setup. I just put my stop loss in way too tight, and then I got in and I made that shit back, plus a little more. So I don't know. I don't know, man.
I'm planning on I can get my count to 2,000 within this next trade, and then that'll be it for the week probably. I come up the week being 3-0.
Yeah. Hold on.
See,
I need to
it's wicking at the equilibrium, which is cool.
I hope these niggas can't hear me. Shit, fuck it.
I mean,
I'm gonna turn your ass down a little bit with your loud ass.
oh my fault. I'm too close to the mic. That's why.
Nah,
It's
you
good now.
good. Nah, you been straight. Plus, I got my OBS open. I could just turn your ass down right here. I can mute your ass if I want. Push that, nigga.
You ain't shit, nigga.
Yeah.
I think once it grabs those liquidities, that would be a good spot to get out.
Yeah, you
This
talking
is
about the ones that we're by right now, right?
little equal highs.
Yeah, that's my TP one, but I could take full profits right there, but I don't know if I'm going to, I'm gonna be honest. But we are starting
For
to
me,
slow down.
it's wicking at the EQ. If it goes below that EQ, I'm getting out, bro. If I was in that trade personally.
I am about to move my stops up a little bit just to manage risk, though.
I don't like that red candle personally, but I think it's still gonna go up.
Yeah, I think we're gonna at least hit the 5 minute fair value gap, right where my limit's at.
Them little equal highs, I think them about to get taken out. Or it might just go up for the entire session. Who knows, nigga?
Yeah, we are at all time highs. You feel me? I don't know. And the 4 hour candle looks like it's flipping right now. It just made its open low, and now it's starting to push up. And we got 3 hours left on this bitch, so I think we might push up. I'm gonna just keep my shit where it's at. I move my stop to break even. Follow my
Hey,
plan.
gang, don't get too greedy, bro. Don't get too greedy, gang.
I'm not being greedy. I'm just going with my
I'm just
plan.
saying. No, I'm saying like don't get like you know what I'm saying. Like if you want to fiend for more or what. I'm not saying you're greedy right now. I'm just saying like you know what I'm saying. Like take whatever you can take, man. You know what I'm saying. Come back the next day. I don't know. I'm not saying you're trading greedy right. That's not what I'm saying at all. But I'm saying.
Yeah. I don't like where we holding up at though.
Yeah, I don't like it either, bro. But we did bounce off that little. Like I said again, if it closes in that EQ or it closes below that BPR, nigga, that would be a sign to just get out. But it's bouncing off that zone, bro. Oh fuck yeah, I would have got out. Oh no, hold on. Yeah, I would have got out. Right there. It could keep pushing up though. Who knows?
Yeah, the 5 minute also shifted structure, and we're in the 5 minute fair value gap right now. I'm just gonna follow my rules. Whatever happen, nigga. Feel me? Man, I've been thinking a lot, bro. Like after I've been hitting the vape and how I couldn't get to 10 miles, I was thinking like my dad was literally a soldier, right? And all of his friends, all his army friends, they would smoke cigarettes all day, bro. Like how the fuck they're literally smoking cigarettes. So how could they go out and do this crazy shit, run miles, hike up mountains, but they were smoking cigarettes? So I was like, this shit gotta be in my fucking mind, bro. And I think it really was. I think it does make it harder, but I don't think I should have quit on any of them runs. I ain't gonna lie, I was hungover like a motherfucker though. I ain't gonna say hungover, but like I was drinking with Shorty that Saturday or that Friday night around 1 a.m. and I was drunk as hell. And then I went and ran at 7. So I think it was still like on me. But it feels good that I finally fucking got it again, man.
We're doing a hell of yapping. Did you get out? I don't think you got out, right?
Hell no.
Hell yeah. That's
I
good.
adjusted my stop loss a little bit, but that's it.
You saw what it did to that 1 minute FEG?
Yup.
Nice, Brody. That's nice. That's nice as fuck.
I'm just waiting patiently. But the reason I'm taking there is because it's the first set of highs at equilibrium of the range of Asian sessions. So I took the entire Asian session range and I put equilibrium, and that's halfway. And we're already at all time highs. We're already fucking bullish on the higher time frame. So I was like, okay, I'll leave a runner for up there. So that's what I'm doing right now. And a lot of the times when I take a trade, this shit just keeps running, bro. It just keeps fucking going. I'll be like, yo, why did I get out so early? I should have left the runner. So yeah, that was my main target, but I saw the 5 minute fair value gap, and I was like, I should probably put a little TP right there, move my stop to break even after we hit that shit. All right, I think I'm above a 1-to-1, and we keep like fucking around in this area, and I'm not fucking with it, so I'm finna just take my first profit right here.
Right now, I'm risking about $50 on this shit.
All right, cool. I just sold my first. Move my stop. Move my stop to break even.
London session don't move that bad, actually.
It ain't
No,
bad.
it's
It's just a little
when we
slow.
start when we start looking at it, it was at when I started looking at it, it was at 1. This shit really starts moving at like
At
2,
2.
3.
Yeah, 2:30.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, I sold my first profits right here because we keep fucking around, and
How
we
much
was
you
already
did?
above a, huh? I'm on my IG, nigga. Lame man,
Oh
nigga.
shit,
Nah,
my
you
fault. Let me
straight,
do that
but
shit.
we was already at a 1-to-1, so, and we keep fucking around by TP1, so I just sold my first contract, but I'm leaving the running for this. My stop's at break even. A little $20 off that.
I'm just letting you know we got a CVD for a sale. So I don't know. I know you don't go by those terms. You
Yeah,
don't
and
go
we
by
still fucking
CVD.
around. I think I might get stopped at break even, but I don't really care.
I'm letting you know there's a CVD on the that push literally was a result of that, I think. So, but I would be careful. What validates a CVD is if it breaks structure, bro. That for me, 90% all the time validates a CVD, bro.
Hold up, I actually don't know how much I made off of this because it's fluctuating. It says open PNL is $21, total PNL is 43. Wait, oh, I think I gotta do 43 minus whatever it's at right now. 30. God damn, you moving too fast. 42.94. 42.94 minus 18.
Ooh, I'm seeing a different type of setup now, gang. My shift, my focus have shifted again. If it breaks that low on the 1 minute, bro, this became a sell setup now, bro. For me personally. But
I'm not even looking at
I'm,
this shit no more.
oh, you're out of it?
No, I'm just not looking at it right now. Cause I already moved my stop to break even. I don't even need to look at the trade, to be honest, in my opinion. Just gonna let it do its thing without fucking thinking about it. You did.
I think this shit is about to sell off, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, you did help me a lot though. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. Like
What you mean?
that 1 to 2 rule that I had was kind of retarded, bro. I just need to take based off of what structure is given to me as long as it's above a 1 to 1. Move my stop to break even after that and just chill, you feel me? Alright, so I took my first profits right here. We were already at a 1 to 1. It was right there. And we keep fucking around by my first TP and I don't play that shit, so I just sold my first contract and I left it running for these highs. Stop at break even.
I don't know. For me, nigga, reading these markets have gotten way too fucking easier, bro.
It's gotten a lot easier, I ain't gonna hold you.
It's getting a lot easier. Yeah, isn't it? I get a lot easier for you as well, nigga. This shit getting easy.
But I'm also, it's like I just stopped giving a fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like that helped me a
That's
lot.
what it is.
I just don't give a fuck no more.
Look what's going on. This was this if this shit breaks my if it breaks that low, it would validate the CBD for me personally, bro.
Yeah, I'm finna move my stop up a little bit more to the to the swing low at
45.
2469.8. So, and then if I see some, if it's still going, I might take another one, but I doubt it. I'm probably just gonna get off the charts.
That's it for me right there. The CBD has been completely validated. I would have been out of this trade. Now I'll be looking. Me personally, I wouldn't be looking for sell opportunities because, bro, I'm literally because it's not in the premium. But now it's in a good place to sell now. It's like now there's an FEG at the equilibrium, bro. Come on now.
It's all good. Get your thoughts together. I'm finna update my IG one more time. Dumbass nigga. Alright, I ended up moving my stop under this swing low because I didn't really want to see that get broken. Yeah. We obviously hit that shit, so I ain't gonna lie, not a bad day, but it's not great either because neither of my TVs got hit. But technically, this trade still ain't invalid unless we take out this low. Regardless, you gotta manage your trades. Make sure you feel me.
Yo, I'm about to take a sell, bro.
Hold up, gang. Hold up. I don't think you should do it, bro.
You don't think so?
Nah, it's not your session, bro. I don't even think you should be looking at the charts. And don't get influenced by me either, bro. You gonna find it set up on NQ and ES today, bro. So
Dang, it looks so clean though, bro. Look, we got a fucking. I'm telling this is an absorption CBD, bro. So got CBD, 200 EMAs right on top, nigga. If
gang,
the
you gonna be
fucking
mad as hell if you lose though, bro.
yeah, I'm not taking it. I'm not done. But nigga, I'm saying I was a joke. I was not gonna take it. But I'm saying it's clean. Like then you have the FEG on the EQ. It's like it's calling my name, bro. Calling my name. That nigga was yapping. Oh God.
Why you laughing?
What the hell that nigga talking? I had to mute my mic, bro. I was like, bro, what the hell this nigga talking about, man? I mean, you didn't really yap. It's probably my dumb ass just saying that dumb shit.
I'm just talking about my trades, pussy.
I wasn't really listening, probably, bro. I don't know what I'm talking about. Look,
Alright, YouTube. I'm getting the fuck off the charts. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Hope y'all enjoy listening to this black ass nigga talk. Y'all can't see him, but he's black as shit. Oh God, I was on FaceTime with him the other day. The lights was off. I could only see his eyes. I swear to God.
yo, why you
No, I'm
calling me
playing.
like that,
I'm playing. But no, I'm about to get off the charts. I might update y'all to see what this shit ends up doing. But That's really all I got. All right, bro, I'm back. And I just want to give y'all a quick overview of what ended up happening on gold after I closed my position early. All right. So now y'all already seen the live trading video. Y'all already know my reasoning. Y'all already know my reasoning behind closing early. My thought process, all that. I was sharing it with y'all the whole time. But I want to show y'all what happened and what I think I could have did better. So first off, obviously, the reason I took the trade, we swept these lows, tapped into a 15-minute and a 4-hour fair value gap. I saw this candle forming and I knew, at the time we were bearish, I knew this was going to be the open low and that we were going to create the high and the close. And I knew it was likely that we would come back into this range right here. I wanted to see this level in the middle, equilibrium of this range, get tapped into. Now, obviously that did end up happening. As you can see, we pushed up well above this high, all the way up into these highs right here, into this fair value gap on the 5-minute. Now, why did I take equilibrium of this range? Well, if I come right here, you can see this is the Asian range. I wanted to see the Asian range equilibrium level get tapped. So I like to use session highs, session lows, things of that nature. I also want to see was that the sweep of a daily low? No, it wasn't. All right, but anyways. So, like I said, we swept the 15-minute lows, tapped into the fair value gaps on the higher time frame. Now, why did I get in? As you can see, after we swept those lows, we started to push up right here. Now, right here, I didn't see any displacement. There wasn't efficient price action, so there was no reason for me to want to get in. I was just watching. I didn't even really plan on taking a trade. We retraced down. We failed to take this low, so that's a form of a failure swing. We come up. And we create this swing high right here. This high right here is a swing high. We push down, we respect this volume imbalance, and then we get a strong displacement up through this high. Once I saw that with the big fair value gap through this high, I knew it was likely we were going to take off now. So now I was like, okay, I don't want to get in right here at this fair value gap, but I also don't want to get in right here at this high. Normally I would put my limit right here at this high as a breaker, but this isn't a breaker, this is just a mitigation block. And I don't even know if I think it's a mitigation block. I could be wrong about that too. Either way, it's a market structure shift high. Why didn't I put it right here? Because there's no breaker block over here. I'm sorry, there's no inverse fair value gap over here. Normally with a setup like this high would rebalance price into a fair value gap right here. And then we would push through it, and then there would be an inverse fair value gap this high and another fair value gap, and they would all align. We didn't have that this time, but I still believed in the trade. I still liked and trusted my bias. So I saw this volume imbalance. I dragged it over. That's really it. It was also in the fair value gap. So I was like, cool, I'm going to just get in right there. I put my limit down. I guess it was a little bit higher than this volume imbalance, but it's all good. Either way, that's why I got in. Boom. We tap it. And my main objective, like I said, was this high right above equilibrium. Now, when I came on the 5-minute, I knew there was a possibility I could have been wrong. So I like to take multiple take profits. I came on the 5-minute and I saw this fair value gap right here, along with these highs, which on the 1-minute are like accumulated highs. Right here. And I knew, oh no, right here. And I knew that was a possible place where we would reverse. So we start to push up. What do? We come very close to my first TP and we reverse. Now, right here, when I'm seeing us push up like this off rip, I'm thinking we're going to immediately take this high right here. Like, I did not expect us to do this for so long. It felt like a long time. It really wasn't that long, but We come up, we reject, we start to push down a little. We come up a little bit higher, and then we have this strong move down. This made me nervous, I ain't gonna lie. But I was like, fuck it. Let's just hold. We come up, we start fucking around up here again, and I'm like, okay, cool. We were already at a 1-to-1. We were already at a 1-to-1, as you can see. I was like, okay, I'm gonna take profits in here. I think I actually closed the trade right here at this candle's low. Right here, this candle at 253. That's when I closed my first position. I had 2 contracts open. I took off one. Then what I did was I moved my stop to break even, right? Because after I take profits, I move my stop to break even. Now the problem with that is my original TP did not actually get hit yet. And the reason why that's important is because my trading is systematic. I put my TP here for a reason. If this did not get hit, my stop should not really be moving to break even. See what I'm saying? So, anyways, I took profits early, which is cool because we keep rejecting. I think that's perfectly fine. What's not fine is then moving my stop to break even as if my first TP did get hit. It didn't get hit yet. So, anyways, I moved my stop to break even. We continue to fuck around. I'm on Discord with my friend, and he trades differently than I do. We trade the same concepts, but he doesn't even look at the higher time frames for real. He's really just looking at the 1 minute and analyzing all of these candles. And he keeps telling me reasons we might push lower, reasons we might push higher. And even though I'm not consciously thinking it, that was influencing my bias. That was influencing my decisions. So I'm no longer trading on Discord at all. Nobody is telling me shit. Because even if it's not intentional, I still pick up on that shit and it will influence my decision making and my thoughts without me even realizing. Anyways, and I'm not blaming him, that's my fault. I knew I shouldn't have been on the call with him anyways because I've dealt with this before. I already knew what was up, but that's completely on me. So boom, we start to come back down. He's telling me why we're finna sell off. I'm like, all right, bet. I'm moving my stop below this low. Now that was a safe low for me, in my opinion. This low right here was safe. Let me hide this because it's getting on my nerves. This low right here was safe. So I felt like if this got violated, then it wasn't worth being in the trade anymore. It took me out right here at 3 a.m. Then we push up a little more, sweep these lows. But as you can see, this would have stopped me out at break even. But again, this never got hit. My stop shouldn't have even been at break even yet. We never came anywhere close to this low, and I had already managed my risk to this low. So, you feel me? I would have been perfectly fine. And what we ended up doing was pushing all the way up to both TPs. Once this TP got hit, we didn't even come back down again. We just kept running. And yeah, that's what ended up happening. I only made about $30 on this trade when I was risking 50, so less than a 1-to-1. But it wasn't a loss, which is cool. At the same time, though, look at this. My bias played out perfectly. I need to have more confidence in my shit, bro. Just because we're rejecting and we're fucking around, I need to stop getting scared out of trades, bro. I have to. But moral of the story is, I took profits a little early. Again, that's not necessarily a bad thing because we kept rejecting right below my TP. Just take profits. But that doesn't mean you need to initiate your second phase of trade management because technically your TP level did not actually get hit. Yes, you took profits because we were close to that level, but that level did not get hit, so you should not be adjusting your stop. This is me personally. I'm talking to myself right now. I should not have moved my stop all the way up here. Down here is cool. That was cool. Or maybe even below this low. Maybe below this low because this low never got tapped either. Actually it did, but still. Moving it all the way up here was not the right move in my opinion. Now, this is obviously all hindsight. If I would have got stopped and this shit would have ran down, I would have been mad that I didn't take profits right here. That's why I'm telling you, taking profits here was not a bad thing. But moving it to break even afterwards, it's actually hard, bro. Because I think I would have been unsatisfied regardless in this situation. But what I will say is, it wasn't a bad day. I could have definitely did better. I need to focus on the process a little bit more. Stop worrying so much about the P&L. Stop worrying so much about if I'm gonna lose or win. Just focus on the process. If I would have just waited for this to get hit and accepted that if this didn't get hit, it was a loss, I would have capitalized on this entire move, at least on the entire trade that I had envisioned in my head. But yeah, that's just what I wanted to show y'all. This shit is still moving up a little bit, Tal. But yeah, I'm journaling my trade right now, so I wanted to review it real quick. I'm gonna add this to my live trade, or I might just make this a trade recap instead, cause it's real short and I really don't feel like editing that shit and adding it in. It's gonna make my shit longer. So I'm gonna just post this trade recap. God damn, I'm gonna just post this trade recap real quick. I'm gonna send y'all the live video later. Post it, whatever the fuck. And yeah, that's today's trade. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. We're learning every day, bro. And this shit is I'm getting real close, bro. I have not lost in a while, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Now a loss can come at any moment in time, but what I'm saying is I'm understanding my strategy a lot better. I'm managing my trades a lot better. There's still a lot of things I need to work on, but I'm seeing what I need to see and I'm not taking bad trades anymore. I'm not taking bad setups anymore. My executions are a lot better. Again, trade management needs to be better, but my executions they're getting there now. So I'm fucking with that. Everything's about to change real soon. I'll tell you that much. Might be another year, might be another 2 years, but my life's about to change, bro. That's all I got for y'all.